everyone, and welcome to Faith Farm Goat's Milk Soaps. Today we are going to be making one of our newer favorites. This one's called Man Cave. I have a custom blended fragrance that I use for this one, and I'm going to be adding a few things to it to make it what I consider a dual purpose soap. It is actually something that my husband uses a really old-fashioned razor to shave, so I consider this one also a facial and shave soap because of the addition of ingredients that we're going to be putting in it. We're going to be adding some bentonite clay, which I already have mixed into my melted oils. This provides a good slip for a razor, and it also has detoxification properties, but you need to research that for yourself. And then we also have activated charcoal, which is also amazing for detoxification. In any cases that you have, this is something that I highly recommend that everybody have in their medical cabinet. If you have livestock or not, we primarily got this for livestock in case of accidental poisonings. If we get this really fast, it's actually helped us in one situation where one of our goats ingested a poisonous azalea bush, and this saved her life. It is something that we always keep on hand no matter what, so I really highly recommend you have this in your medicine cabinet if you are interested at all in any kind of natural remedies and treatments. It also has anti-aging properties and lots of other good stuff that you can use activated charcoal for. So I highly recommend that you have this one around no matter what. And then we're also going to be using a colorant that is from Nurture Soap. It's actually one of their Enviro glitters, but I used it as a colorant in this soap. I really like the grayish blue color that it gives and that little sparkle. And it's called Starry Night from Nurture Soap. And then we're also adding some vanilla bean powder because our soap has notes of oak, cedar wood, oak moss, and vanilla. And to enhance the vanilla, we're adding the vanilla bean powder to our main base. And it kind of gives slightly, not very much at all, but just a slight exfoliation properties too. So we hope that you like this video today. I'm going to be doing this introduction. I'm not going to be talking because it's getting way too hot for me to turn the air conditioner off so I can talk during a video. So I'm going to be turning my AC back on, and I won't be talking through the video, but we really hope that you enjoy this video. And if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from us. We really do appreciate it. It really helps our farm and help us to get the word out about homesteading and making and doing things for yourself, which is really important to us. So we really thank you for watching, and we hope that you continue watching the rest of the video. And I'll put little notes and everything in there so you can tell in the editing what I am doing. But we really hope you like this, and we hope you enjoy watching. And let me put my hair up, get my goggles on, and let's make some soap.